In this unit, you have to be able to find what's called network, and I'll show you two different ways to do this. Both get you the same answer, and so after I show them to you, you can just pick the way that seems best to you. Finding network is not very difficult. It's just like finding net force. You find all the works in various directions and add them. Sorry, you find all the works, including their signs, not in various directions. Find all the works, including their signs, and then add them together. So I'll do the orange force, and I'll do the blue force. Here we go. This person's falling down, so the displacement will be downward. And let's look at the question. Find the network done as the 70-kilogram skydiver falls 30 meters, first by finding the work done by each force separately. So with the orange force, displacement and force are in opposite directions, so that's going to be negative. And work equals force times displacement. Work equals 250 newtons. And we said this is going to be negative. Times 30 meters. Work equals negative 7,500 joules. Now for the blue force, the force and displacement are in the same direction, so that's going to be positive. Work equals positive 700 newtons times 30 meters. Work equals 21,000 joules. And now for the network, I just add the two together. Network equals negative 7,500 joules plus 21,000 joules gives me 13,500 joules. Alright, now we'll do this again by first finding net force and then finding network. Okay, so this time I'll solve this problem by finding the net force. And as you should be able to see here, with 750 newtons down and 250 newtons up, the net force will be 450 newtons down, and that's F net. So now, I just use that F net in finding the network. So net work will be net force times displacement, and the displacement here is down, so that work's going to be positive because the net force and the displacement are in the same direction. Don't want to skip over that. Net force and displacement are in the same direction, so it's positive. W net equals 450 newtons times 30 meters. And net work equals 13,500 joules, just like last time. I think this second way of finding network is easier, but you can do it either way. And there we go. That's how you find network. Moving on.